I was told by Huffy it's going to be extremely cold there, so I have to bring all my winter clothes. But you can see the weather is perfect and the wind is a lot less than expected. So really looking forward to this race again.
Hvernig líst þér á þetta hjá okkur í ár?
Það er alltaf gott veður, alltaf mikið meðvindur og þetta verður ekki challenge.
This is great. It's a great event. I've been having fun and enjoyed the bits of Iceland I've seen so far. So I'm looking forward to some really beautiful views. And then I may just come back and do it again when I'm feeling better, and that would be something fun to do.
Well, that's awesome to hear. Thank you. Í hvað skiptir þetta hjá okkur núna?
Þetta er fyrsta skipti.
Fyrsta skiptir. Anna hjá þér.
Já.
Og hvernig líst ykkur á þetta?
Bara vel. Gríðarlega vel sko. Það er gott veður og svona. Fínar aðstæður.
In the first climb after 10k, try and do something like split the race a little so I can make them work, so get them a little tired.
Yes.
So I went all out in the first climb and actually got a small gap of just 10 meters, and then I tried just continue with the wind in the back, so we flow with 50 down the lava desert, the first valley. That was really cool.